on this one. Yeah, you can show them, you go through all the functions with it. That's the Geo you're running right now.
Okay.
Showing you how it runs. Single tap. All your screens are here, axes, machine functions, file management, palette changer, laser functions. Here's your laser power that shows you what it's using. So it goes to 2,500 watts. It's already at 22, you'll see it there. So the resonator's still getting full power.
Super.
Yeah, I have no issues with it. You just have to do the maintenance.
And it's been taken care of well.
Well, yeah, most guys that come in to work on it can't believe it's 15 years old.
And then it's got the loader that goes with it.
Now that doesn't go with it.
That doesn't go with the
frame, does that go?
Okay.
Light barriers go, these have to go.
Pardon?
This light barrier here has to go.
Has to go with it, yeah.
It does, you have to have it, you won't run without it.
It won't run, okay.
You can't kick the tables in or out.
The light barriers go with it.
This plate goes with it too. I just have it off because I like to clean it. I just didn't put it back on.
And the filter goes with it.
Filter fabric goes with it.
Filter fabric goes with it.
Order that once it runs out. These are grates you have to make.
Yeah.
The grates are, when the laser runs through it, the grates, it builds slag up on a grate. Even if you take it off all the time, eventually they wear out. You'll either wear them too low or too high and you'll get error messages. So you have to build new grates about every 8 months to a year and replace the grates in the bed.
Okay.
It's nothing. It's not 2 hours. Complete. And that's a whole set of grates for both beds. Like I said, that's just the back door that opens. You need to work on this end of the machine. And there's trays you gotta pull out and empty. I do it every Monday once a week.
Do it once a week?
Once a week I empty all the trays and throw the scrap out and then put it back in. Every Monday morning I do my maintenance. Check my steel dust drum, clean the head, clean the lens, focus the lens, tape shot the lens, and pull the trays.
Super.
And once a week, who's ever buying it, I suggest you make a maintenance log and do it once a week. You'll never have an issue until the lifespan of the resonator itself wears out. Which they tell you it could be now, but it could go another 15 years. There's no certain, it's not X amount of hours and it ends. It could be way longer or before. That's kind of a roll of the dice with the resonator. Got the light barrier. Now the table's going to swap out. The fresh sheet's going to go in. One that's got to go. When it hits play, this deal is going to show you what it's about to run. The one missed right now. And the way I do is while it's running, I take the parts out. I'll show you the part that just comes out right now. So this is 1/8 inch basically. Steel. The parts come out. Perfect. No bar, nothing. It's a perfect edge. You don't need a glove. You can't cut yourself on it. It's perfect. So right now, this laser has never run better, to be honest with you.
Wow.
Honestly. If I had the money, I would buy it.